Hi everyone. So we are live for our new product launch. Let's wait for the people to join us. Hi everyone. Thank you so much for your participation in Guess the Product. Let's wait for some more viewers to join us. Am I audible enough? Hi Isha. Hi Dipti, how are you? So we have audiences joining us on Instagram, joining us on Facebook. Sorry sir, we cannot have you in our live video, but you can be the part of our new launch. So yes, a very warm welcome to everyone. We are very excited to launch one of our new product today, and we had run a quick guess the product contest. So anybody can guess what a product could be? Can anybody have a guess about the product? Hi Bindu, how are you? We are very excited to launch our new product today. Let's wait 5-4 minutes. Meanwhile, let me give you my introduction. I am Riddhi Sharma. I am the founder of Baby Organo. Let me give you some brief about the brand Baby Organo and how it is started. So in 2018, when I have my first baby, when I have my kid. Hello Yuti ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So yeah, in 2018 when I have my baby, I realized that most of the products in the Indian markets are full of chemicals. Sometimes non-harmful chemicals, but it is full of chemical. So and the name of the herbal products, which are actually not chemical free products. Most of the brands are the brands from out of India. They are not the Indian brands, they are the European brands, the American brands. They are selling their products here and we are using their products. But what about the Indian babies? Their brands are specifically developed for the babies that are in their regions. So if it is American brand, it is developed and researched for the American babies. It is the European brand, then it is developed and researched for the European babies. Then what about our Indian babies? After the answer of this question is that we don't have any totally thoroughly dedicated baby care products brand in India which are specially developed for the Indian babies, for the skin of the Indian babies, for the metabolism of the Indian babies, and hence this idea of Baby Organo was born. So here we are completely developing all our products based on our ancient Ayurvedic culture. So Ayurveda culture is specially developed, and Ayurveda culture is actually born in the India itself only, and this is meant to give the maximum benefits to the Indian DNAs, to the Indian babies. So if you will use all the Ayurvedic herbs that are being nurtured and that are being planted in the India itself, in the Indian soil, then nothing can be more beneficial, none other product can be more beneficial for our Indian babies. So hence Baby Organo is dedicatedly developing all the Ayurvedic products which are meant to give the maximum benefits to the Indian babies, to give the maximum benefits to the Indian DNAs. And this is how the baby organo was born, the brand baby organo was born. So let me show you some products, some of our products that are already in the market and that are mostly loved by thousands of moms so far. So this is baby organo hing roll-on, the very first product of the baby organo family, the hing roll-on. So it is specially used to soothe the colicky baby. It is helped to give relief to the constipated babies, and it is the outer application, so you don't need to give anything to the baby. So after hing roll-on, we have developed, this is cold relief roll-on. The second product was cold relief roll-on. So again, it is used to give the soothing and calming effect in cold and cough for the babies. Again, this is the outer application. You don't need to give any cough syrups or any other sedative medications to the baby. This is the only product. This is the outer application product which helps in cold and cough in the babies. It naturally helps to relieve cold and cough in the babies. All our products are, I would like to mention that all our products are 100% Ayurvedic, and we mentioned that it is the Ayurvedic proprietary medicines. All our products, this line is mentioned in all our products, that our products are Ayurvedic proprietary medicines. One can only use this sentence if products are genuinely 100% Ayurvedic. Otherwise, no one can mention these things, that these products are Ayurvedic proprietary medicines. After that, our most loved product, the Balamrut Suvarna Prashan. This is an Ayurvedic immunity, concentration and memory booster for the kids. So the one drop of Suvarna Prashan can help to boost the immunity of the kids, and it will also help in mental development of the kids. You can get more details on our website, www.babyorgano.com. So after this Suvarna Prashan, we have developed this herbal kids toothpaste. So nowadays, if we see that all the kids toothpaste are gel based only. If you'll take the drop of the toothpaste, and if you'll try to see the texture, you will find that is very sticky. The gel based toothpaste are very sticky. Sometimes that gets stick in the throat, and they are not so much beneficial for the kids. So, and if you can check the ingredients of the other toothpaste, and if you see the comparison of the ingredients of the Baby Organo Herbal Kids toothpaste, you will get the idea. So for example, if we can see, we have used Yashti Madhu. So Yashti Madhu is the ingredient, is the herb that we can consume also, and we can use it on the teeth also. We have used the babul. Again, babul is consumable herb. We have used aloe vera. Aloe vera can be consumed. We have used neem. Neem can be consumed. We have used clove oil. Clove oil can be consumed. So this toothpaste is made from all the consumable herbs. So even if your baby doesn't know how to spit out the toothpaste, or they sometimes swallow it accidentally, then all the herbs that are going in the baby's tummy are edible. So you don't need to worry about feeding the baby we can say chemicals. We are not feeding the baby chemicals, we are just feeding them the herbs. So yeah, this is the Herbal Kids toothpaste that we had launched last month. After that, we have used this Gentle Baby Wash. Again, this is the Ayurvedic proprietary medicines. All the ingredients, herbs that we have used are 100% Ayurvedic, which are 100% consumable. They are consumed to safe, and they are equally beneficial for the different part of the skin. So this is the baby body wash. Baby wash is again a really good. We have used the hibiscus, aloe vera that are good for the skin. After that, this is our body lotion. So again, it is made up of the olive oil, shea butter and other Ayurvedic herbs. So everything is very good for the skin, for the hair of the baby, and made up of Ayurvedic herbs that are 100% safe on baby's skin. And the last product is this massage oil. So this is the most latest product, a part of the product that we are going to launch today is the Soothing Massage Oil. It is again made up of wheat germ oil, olive oil, so everything is good for baby's skin. Bindu, if you are asking for the सुवर्ण प्राशन कितने एज के बच्चों को दे सकते हैं बिंदु? So सुवर्ण प्राशन can be given from a newborn up to the 15 years of age, specifically, and it is our suvarna prashan is meant to be given on the daily basis, 1 drop each day in the morning and empty stomach up to the 15 years. It has numerous benefits. You can start seeing the results in the 3 months of giving this Balamrut Suvarna Prashan. So other than that, this toothpaste, this can be used from 6 months onwards. When baby have the first teeth, you can start using this Herbal Kids toothpaste. This massage oil is meant to be used to the newborn, and all other products, these 2 roll-ons, as we have used the essential oils, we recommend it to use it on 3+ months baby. And the baby wash and the baby lotion, both can be used from the newborn itself. Suvarna Prashan age group is 0+ months. So yeah, we are having so many questions. Ma'am, introduce Vinu Vinay is saying, ma'am, introduce baby powder. We are going to see the baby powder is very common thing. What we are trying to introduce is something uncommon that the other brands do not have the things, or we always strive for the things that are unique in our products. And otherwise the most of the things you can get from other brands also, but the USP of our brand is this: either the product is completely different, or the product has really different benefits or the ingredients that other brands do not use. So baby powder, I'll take your consideration. We will surely try. Shivani is saying, I use Swarna Prashan. It is very good product. Thank you so much, Shivani. Thank you so much. Okay. So Abhinisha is saying, I can vouch for baby organo products. Thank you so much, Abhinisha. Thank you so much for your love. So yeah, we have so many moms available with us right now. Okay, so this was the introduction and the basic things about the product. Now, let me tell you one more thing, that we have our Facebook group, Baby Organo Family. So please do join that group. We are going to start so many interesting activities in that group soon. So please join our Facebook group. The name is Baby Organo Family, and please pass on this group link to your fellow moms and your colleagues who need who are going to have a new baby or who already have a baby's mothers. Please. Okay, so yes, now let's start the launch of the product. So can anyone guess what product it could be? So we have our 2 winners with us. Can anyone guess what product it be? Any guesses? Isha is saying, I'm using some of the Baby Organo products and they are too good. Thank you so much, Isha. Please try all our products, and I'm sure that you will love all the products for your baby. So give only best things to your baby. Only use the best products that are meant for the Indian babies. Only use those products. Bindu soap. No, Bindu, it is not soap. Okay. So, okay. So Shivani is saying, I'm starting 6 months age and now 1.9-year-old baby she has. She is free from cough, cold and any other type of allergy and having intelligent brain. God bless her, and thanks to Baby Organo. God bless to your baby, Shivani. I'm glad that our product have made the incredible changes in your baby. And yes, Balamrut Suvarnaprash indeed is good for the immunity booster and for the brain development. Thank you so much. Okay, no tear baby shampoo hint please, Isha. Okay, fine. So we are just going to launch our new product. This is the product, and this is what it is. This is the baby shampoo. Yes, this is the baby shampoo. Now, in my front camera you might not be able to read it properly, but the name of this shampoo is Tomatino baby shampoo. Can you guess the main ingredient? We have the main active ingredient of this product. Can anyone guess the main ingredient of this product? The name of this product is Tomatino baby shampoo. Okay, so as the name says, the tomato, yes, Archumadhu, the tomato is the main ingredient of this product. So along with the tomato, we have lemon and bringraj in this beautiful baby shampoo. Now again, as I've said, all our products are 100% Ayurvedic, which herbs that are consumable, that are safe to consumable, are used in this product. Though this product is not meant to consume orally, this is just the shampoo. This is meant to use on the hair, but still the thing I want to say is that the herbs that were used, they are safe to consume. That means they are not at all harmful, or instead they are very, very beneficial for the hair of the babies. So let me give you some brief about this product, the Baby Organo Tomatino shampoo. The first main ingredient is the tomato seeds. Now the vitamins, ions and minerals present in tomato nourishes newly budding hairs. When the first 1 year or first 6 years of the babies, their hair, they feel so many changes in their body. They tend to lose their milky teeth, and the new teeth comes. They tend to lose their birth hair, and then the new hair comes. So at that time, the nourishment, the right type of nourishment in scalp and in hair roots is very, very important. So the vitamin C, that is the main source in these tomato seeds, treat the scalp problems. If baby have any type of itchy scalp, or if baby has eczema, dandruff or any type of problems, hair problems, then this Tomatino shampoo will help to subside that problem. Along with that, it boosts the collagen for proper tissues development. So babies tend to develop the new tissues very rapidly compared to the adults. So during that time, the right nourishment is again very important. So the vitamin C the tomato contains boost the collagen and proper tissue development for the scalp. And again, it also works as a great conditioner. It makes the hair very shiny and soft. Other than that, we have used the neem. So as everyone knows that the neem is powerful antibacterial and antifungal that keeps the scalp and hair free from any kind of infections. Babies have more sweaty scalp, and they actually plays lots of the time outside, in the outside area though. So the dust and all type of bacterias or the other viruses keeps to catch in the scalp. So the neem has the antibacterial agent that helps to keep away those any type of fungal infections and makes the scalp very clear. Then it contains the lemon. So lemon is again a source of vitamin C that helps to boost the collagen, and along with that, it helps to moisturize the hair. Jasmine is another ingredient. Jasmine. So it helps to remove the dry and itchy scalp. It helps to remove the dryness of the hair, and it makes the hair glossy. Along with that, we have bringraj. Now everyone knows that in adults we have in hair oil, adult shampoo, bringraj is used very well in Ayurvedic shampoos and hair oils. Then why don't we use bringraj for babies? So bringraj is effectively increases blood circulation in the scalp and hair follicles. which in turn enriches the roots by bringing in more nutrition through the blood supply. So actually Bhringraj is responsible for the very good blood circulation, which again helps to nourishes the hair, and it promotes the hair growth. So it is really good if we start using all these Ayurvedic herbs for the babies at this small age itself. So when they grow up as an adults, they don't need to face the hair fall or the most common hair related issues if we nourish their hair, their scalp really well from the beginning itself. And the last but not least, the best ingredient is aloe vera. We all know the benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera is very good for skin, it is very good for hairs, it is very good for overall health. So the aloe vera helps to deep cleanses the hair, it strengthens and repair the hairs, and it promotes the hair growth. So these are all the benefits of this baby shampoo. Let me just open and show it to you. It comes in the 200 ml bottle. So this is the bottle. Everything is mentioned here. When you buy the product, you can check everything what I have said right now. You can check everything over here. And this shampoo is made from all the Ayurvedic herbs, which are really good for scalp and hair. So this shampoo is meant to be used. This is meant to be used from. You can use it from the newborn up to the 15 years of age. Again, so most of our products are generally can be used up to 15 years of age. Because of the mildness of the ingredients, see, this can be used by adults as well. But our hair are more damaged than the baby's hair or the kid's hair, so we generally recommend it to use up to the 15 years of age because of the mildness of the herbs that we have used, because it can even newborn can be used. So we have to keep all the ingredients very mild in quantity, so it do not harm accidentally to the babies. So yeah, this is our baby organo shampoo. The price of this shampoo is 399 rupees, but as for the offer right now, you can go on the website and check. The product is available at 299 rupees. I must say you all must try it once, and I'm sure that all these products, this product especially, you will love it. You will fall in love with this product. It really makes the baby's hair smooth, shiny, tangle free, and healthy, of course. Yes, Pooja, it is having a no-tear formula. See, this is made of all the type of Ayurvedic herbs, and Ayurvedic herbs are not at all irritating for the eyes. So yes, this is no-tear formula. So most all our products do not have any kind of chemicals which can be irritated for the babies, for the eyes or for the skin. So yes, don't worry about using this product. So this Tomatino baby shampoo. Okay, I hope you like this product, everyone, and I hope that everyone will try it soon, and we would love to hear your feedback from all of you. Adi Moms is really a great launch, in fact, with natural ingredients. Yes, thank you so much, Adi Mom. Okay, so now this is the time. Okay, one more thing. Again, I would like to tell everyone that please join our Facebook group, Facebook group Baby Organo Family. We are going to start really good informative sessions, everything over there. So please, join our Baby Organo Family group. Now the time for the winners announcement. So yes, we have been getting so many guessing on the product. Some have guessed it is a soap, some have guessed that it is a cloth diaper, or some were guessing about the bubble bath, like we already have this baby wash. It has a bubbly formula, so again it makes really good bubbles when baby is having a bath. So yes, for the bubble bath you can use the same gentle baby wash, but this time it is a complete hair care, complete baby care bathing kit of baby wash, shampoo and lotion. This is the complete bathing kit. And if you have a newborn, then of course you can include the massage oil in this. And you have a toddler at home, then you can include the toothpaste in this kit. Okay, so the winner, the only two mommies have guessed it right as of now. The one is the Adi Mom Parenting, that is what the name I am getting over here. Ma'am, please, can you please tell me your name? Adi's mom. So congratulations, Adi's mom. You will get this new launch shampoo at free of cost. We'll gift you this shampoo. Kindly DM us your Meena. Yes, Meena is the Meena ma'am. Yes. So we'll get this shampoo absolutely free. Kindly DM us your address and we will send it to you. And the another one, yes. So guess. The another mom was I guess Millennium Mom was the name. Millennium Mom was the name. Are you available, Millennium Mom? Are you online right now? Because see, our condition is that you will get the gift only if you are available on the live session. If you'll give the reply and if you'll go out, then no, we won't be able to give you the gift. And we have to find the another user, another winner. We have to find the another winner if you are not available. So I think Shivani says congratulations dear. Thank you so much, Shivani. Thank you so much. So I think Millennium Mom is not available right now. So the Isha is the, I think she was the Isha, right, who had guessed it right now during the live session before we have introduced the yes. Just see, let me see. No, sorry, it wasn't the Isha. It was Vinu Vinay 14. Can you please tell me your name if you are available? Your Instagram says it's Vinu Vinay 14. Who have guessed it, baby shampoo. If you are available, please tell me your name. Okay, I'm getting so many comments. Okay. So, mom of 2 milestone. Yeah, this is the one. Sorry, Isha. No, it wasn't you. You were asking for the. Hint. Some of the hints, but I think someone already have guessed it right. So yes. So, mom of 2 millennium is name. Mom of 2 milestone. Yeah. What is your name? Please tell me, mom of 2 milestone. What is your name? If you are available. So yeah, the another winner is Mom of 2 milestone. She is available with us right now. Congratulations to all winners. Kindly DM us your address and we will send you. Yes, Neelam. Yes, Neelam. Okay, so yes, please. Shivani, yeah. Shivani, actually we were, the first 2 winners will get the first 2 moms who have answered it correctly get the chance to have this free gift hamper of the new launch products. So unfortunately you were the 5th one who has guessed it right. But don't worry, I have some more another amazing offers for you guys. So yes, the winner, Mom of 2 milestone, Neelam, and sorry, I again forgot the name, Meeta. Please, Meena, yes, please send me, please DM us your details and we shall process your order. Along with that, if anyone have any questions about any of the products, please feel free to ask me over here. I would be happy to answer it personally right now. Okay, so one more thing, that as of now for all the winners, see, we haven't announced this thing anywhere else, this is only over here. So we are going to have a free shipping over all orders for today only. So as of now we have a free shipping offer if the order is above the 999 rupees, if the order is above the 1000 rupees. So yes, as of now if you will order it today, any of our product, if you'll order it today and the amount is below the 999 rupees, then also you will get the free shipping. You have to use the code free shipping. The code is free shipping. Use that code for today only for any order at free of shipping cost. So shipping cost will be waived off for all the orders, otherwise you will get charged 50 rupees off, 50 rupees additional for the products. And all our products are at discount rate, especially this new launch product. It is Tomatino baby shampoo. The MRP is 399 rupees, but you will get it at 299 rupees today with the free shipping. So mom, start buying it right now. Our product will be available soon on the website. This product is not available on any other e-commerce platform as of now. Of course it will be available soon, but it is not available on any other platforms for now. So you can buy it from our website www.babyorgano.com. And if you have any other questions regarding the products, you can DM me, you can ask me right now. I will be happy to answer your questions. So I hope you like all our products. I hope you love our new launch products. I recommend everyone to try all our products at least once, and you will feel the difference. You will feel that all our products are free from harmful chemicals. You can actually feel the difference on your baby's body, on your baby's skin, on your baby's hair. Even if you are using our Balamrut Suvarna Prashan, then baby's overall health, the overall milestone developments, overall mental developments, you will definitely going to see the difference, and you will going to see the good results by trying all our products. Bindu, I have already announced the winners, and girls, the winners, please send us the DM. I hope you like all the products, and we are going to end this live session. I'm going to end this live session today. It is so nice to meet you all, and we are going to launch new products very oftenly. So please keep following us, keep joining us. Please don't forget to join our group Baby Organo family. And yeah, bye bye, have a great day.